Using a T40 Torx bit, we want to go ahead and remove this bolt holding the cable end. If you only have one tailgate cable holding the tailgate, have someone support this, as the tailgate is going to drop once you remove this bolt. On the back side, there is a capture washer right here. I'm going to go ahead and grab a pair of pliers and remove that off the back of that bolt. Grab your needle and those pliers, gently bend up on the lock tab, push that up, and you remove your cable. Take your new cable, push it on, pull it. Take your new bolt, put it through the cable, and then feed that through. And get your washer started on the back side. Using a pair of pliers, you want to go ahead and grab a hold of that washer there. And we're going to go ahead and start tightening this up. Line up your rod unit here. Go ahead and get this bolt started in. I'm going to go ahead and start threading this bolt in. I'm just going to go ahead and snug these bolts down and repeat for the other side.